Welcome to another video in our Few Faves series, where we share a few favorites of a certain genre. Some of my ancient videos include California Central Coast campgrounds, favorite California desert campgrounds, and most recently, Georgia State Park campgrounds, and in this video, Georgia Adventure State Parks. These are the parks you visit for the adventure, the trails, wildlife, exciting things to see or do. First up, Providence Canyon State Park in Lumpkin, Georgia. Also known as Georgia's Little Grand Canyon. This is a hiker's paradise, and photographer's paradise too. And weirdly enough, the canyons were actually caused by poor farming practices in the 1800s. The park encompasses over 2,700 acres and offers several trails. Some trails to the floor of the canyon and in amongst the canyons, and the one along the rim. Which, on a warm day and having a black dog, we stuck to that. The park does not offer RV camping, but they do have some hike and camping options. This is a wonderful day trip adventure park. Next, Stephen C. Foster State Park in the Okefenokee Swamp. This park does offer RV and tent camping, as well as cottages for rent. This park you visit to explore the Okefenokee, North America's largest blackwater swamp. The Boardwalk Trail and Ranger-led boat tour are two fantastic ways to see wildlife, the Spanish moss-covered trees, and bald cypress. Deer, turtles, alligators, and a wide array of birds can be seen on a daily basis. Stephen C. Foster State Park is also a designated international dark sky park. If you've enjoyed this look at two of Georgia's adventurous state parks, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and let us know if you've been to either of these parks in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching.